Today, I'm going to teach you how to group elements in Figma. This is one of the most fundamental techniques you'll use when organizing your designs, as it helps you keep your canvas clean and makes it much easier to move multiple elements together as a single unit. First, you need to select the multiple elements you want to group. You can do this in two ways. The first method is to hold down the Shift key on your keyboard and click each element individually. This is great when you want to select specific items that aren't necessarily next to each other. The second method is to click and drag a selection box over the elements you want to include. This works perfectly when all the elements you need are clustered together in one area of your canvas. Once you have all your elements selected, right-click on any of the selected elements. This will bring up a context menu with various options for what you can do with your selection. The context menu is particularly useful in Figma because it gives you quick access to common actions without having to navigate through the top menu. From the menu that appears, look for and select Group Selection. This action will combine all your selected elements into a single group. You'll notice that once grouped, you can now move, resize, or manipulate all these elements as if they were one object, which is incredibly handy when working on complex designs with many components. Here's a quick tip to speed up your workflow. Instead of right-clicking and selecting from the menu, you can use a keyboard shortcut. Simply press Ctrl+G if you're on Windows or Command+G if you're using a Mac. This shortcut will instantly group your selected elements, saving you valuable time, especially when you're grouping elements frequently throughout your design process. After grouping your elements, head over to the Layers panel on the left side of your screen. This panel shows you the structure of everything on your canvas. You'll now see your newly created group folder listed there. The Layers panel is where you can manage your groups, rename them for better organization, and even nest groups inside other groups to create a more structured hierarchy for complex projects. And there you have it. You've successfully grouped elements in Figma. This simple but powerful feature will keep your designs organized and make your workflow much more efficient. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.